GM, everybody. Little bit of a later one today with it being the weekend, but daily videos means daily videos. So here we go, Saturday. Let's get into it. Bitcoin is still doing as expected, still consolidating sideways in between the high and the low the price has made over the recent week. So that's what we've expected to see. I'm just staying on the Bitcoin chart here, expecting this to consolidate for a few more days, potentially another week. And then I'm looking at Bitcoin resolving higher out of this, call it nearly 8 month long consolidation. So that's Bitcoin. Just checking in on the other markets as well. The dollar is pushing back up a little bit today, but I do think dollar is now coming into an area which should provide some resistance. So I am expecting the dollar to start to roll over again, which will be a nice tailwind for Bitcoin. If we look at the stock markets, we've got the S&P here closing the week sort of fairly negatively with a down day there, but we can see that overall the S&P has been trending higher. We might come down a little bit more on the S&P. We might come back down to this sort of red moving average at 5.7, but I don't really expect it. I'm thinking more sideways here for stocks over the next few days and weeks, in line with what Bitcoin's doing and probably dollar pulling back. We just have a quick look at Ethereum as well. We can see Ethereum, as we spoke about in the last video, has pushed back in to this channel. It actually dropped below, seems to want to hold it. But yeah, Ethereum definitely the weakest of the three majors. And then Solana, as we discussed on the last video, is definitely the strongest right now. It was lagging behind Bitcoin. However, we have seen some nice relative strength over the last couple of weeks. If we actually just look at the Solana Bitcoin pair, then we can actually see what Solana's doing against Bitcoin. So let's just grab the Binance chart. And we can see, here we go. Obviously, we were consolidating range bound. I mean, Solana is still well off its all-time highs against Bitcoin. I mean, I say well off. Where did we get up to? About 0.3, and we're currently down about 17%. But I would expect Solana to make its way back up against Bitcoin. It's looking fairly strong here. We can probably chart this with a descending trend line. So yes, wouldn't you know it, this is the area that we're currently stuck at. But I do think Solana will push on and probably outperforms for the rest of the cycle. And we can also look at Solana Ethereum as well. And I expect we will see Solana showing strength. So here we go. Solana currently new all-time highs against Ethereum and looking good for continuation. So I'm going to wrap it up there. That is the three majors covered, and I will be back again tomorrow with another update on the markets. Okay, GM, bye for now.